Hello students, I welcome you all in our online sessions. As you all know, we are studying the 8th chapter for the 10th standard, that is trigonometry. Already 3 video lectures have been uploaded and we have already covered the entire exercise 8.1. Now, let us move towards exercise number 8.2. Before proceeding towards exercise number 8.2, we need to understand certain amount of angles. Now only, what we have learned, the basic definition of trigonometry, how many trigonometric ratios are there, trigonometric function and their opposite pair, and trigonometric function in terms of their right angle triangles, that is all done. Now, we are going to deal with some angles in the 10th standard. Like here, we are going to deal with the angle 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. These 5 angles we are going to deal with. Right? For example, sine theta. What is the theta? Theta is the angle. Now, if I am replacing the theta by any of this 5 degree, you must have the answer of that. For example, if I will ask you the value of sine theta, you must know what is your answer. If I will ask you sine 45, you must know your answer. But you don't have to cram it. You have to understand how this table is made for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. Right? So let us draw the table, and before going to write your answers in the examination, in the rough work, try to make your table, because it is difficult to learn all the angles like 1045, 1060 degree. Right? It is quite difficult, but this table is quite easy to make it. Right? So let us understand how we will make this table: 0, 30, 45 degree, and 60 degree and 90 degree. So this thing is starting from 0. So write down 0, then increase the number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Divide this all thing by 4, because the last digit is what? 4. So divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4 and divide by 4. Right? And one thing you have to remember, take the square root. First of all, cancel it wherever cancellation is possible. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 2, 4 and 4 ones are 4. Now, after doing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, dividing it by 4, take the square root. Square root. Take the square root. And whatever the answer you are getting, that will be the value of sine. Like 0 by 4 is 0, square root of 0 will give you 0, square root of 1 is 1, square root of 4 is 2, square root of 1 is 1, square root of 2 is root 2, square root of 3 is root 3, square root of 4 is 2, and 4 by 4 1, and square root of 1 is 1. Right? So, whatever the answer you are getting of these thing, that will be considered the value of sine. So 0, under root of 0 is 0, 1 by 4, square root of 1 is 1, square root of 4 is 2, square root of 1 is 1, square root of 2 is root 2, square root of 3 is root 3, square root of 4 is 2, 4 by 4 1, and square root of 1 is 1. Means your sine 0 degree is 0, sine 30 degree is 1 by 2, sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2, sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2, and sine 90 degree is going to give you 1. The next thing, that is the cos. To get the cos, just write down the value in the descending order, opposite order. From this 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. So for cos, try to answer from the back. Means that will come first. Then root 3 by 2 will come first, then 1 by root 2, means you have to go like this: 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. Right? Means cos 0 degree is going to give you 1, cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2, cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2, cos 60 degree is half, and cos 90 degree is 0. Now, cosec theta. Now once you got to know these two, then all the other values possible. So cosec is the reciprocal of the sine. Reciprocal is not just you to reverse it. Like 0 by 1 is nothing but 0 by 1. If you replace it, it will become 1 upon 0, and 1 upon 0 is always undefined. Undefined means infinite. So 1 upon 0 is always infinite. 1 by 2, do the reciprocal of this, because cosec is 1 upon sine. Whatever sign is there, reciprocal of it. 1 by 2 will give you 2, 1 by root 2 will give you root 2, root 3 by 2 will give you 2 by root 3, and opposite of 1, reciprocal of 1 is going to be 1. Right? For sec, you have to do the reciprocal of cos. Reciprocal of cos, because sec is opposite of cos theta. So 1, opposite of 1 will give you 1. Root 3 by 2 will give you 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2 will give you root 2. 1 by 2 will give you 2. And 0 by 1 again, 1 by 0, that is equal to infinite. I hope it is clear. So you know the all 5 answer of this 4 trigonometric function. Now there is a 10. There is a 10. Now you know that the 10 is having a separate formula in terms of sine and cos. The 10 is equal to sine by cos. So just put down the imaginary division here for getting the 10, because 10 is sine by cos. So 0 divided by 1, it will give you 0. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. 0 by 1 is 0. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. 2 to get cancelled. You will get 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. Entire thing will be cancelled. You get 1. Root 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. Again 2 to get cancelled. It will be giving you root 3. And 1 upon 0. 1 upon 0 again it will be giving you undefined answer. Undefined answer. Now the last value is cot, and cot is the reciprocal of 10. So cot 0 by 0 reciprocal will be undefined. 1 by root 3 will be root 3. 1 will be 1. Root 3 will give you 1 by root 3. And infinity. Infinity is what? 1 upon 0. If you do the reciprocal, it will give you 0 by 1. 0 by 1 is nothing but 0. So at any moment if I am asking what is the value of sec 45. So sec 45 is giving you root 2. If I am asking tan 45, so tan 45 is giving you 1. Tan 60 is root 3. So at any moment if I have to ask you the angle of any trigonometric function of 0, 30, 45 degree and 60 degree and 90 degree, you must have the table with yourself and immediately you will get the answer of each trigonometric function. Is it clear? Okay. So taking this into the consideration, we have to solve the exercise number 8.2. There is no other extra thing is there in the 8.2. Just you have to put table in front of you, and you have to see the question and you have to just put down the values from the given table and you will get the answer. So let us solve the exercise number 8.2. Okay students, so let us move towards exercise number 8.2, question number 1. Now question number 1 includes 5 questions. Out of 5 questions I have selected 3 questions. Rest 2 you have to solve it at your home as a homework. So you don't have to do anything extra. You just have to have the table in front of you, and just you have to see the table and you have to put down the value. For example, they are asking you to evaluate. Evaluate means find out. Sin 60 cos 30, sin 30 cos 60. So the value of sin 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2 into cos 30. It is again root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 is half and cos 60 is half. That answer has come from the table. So root 3 into root 3, it will come 3, 2 2s are 4, 3 by 4, 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4. If we take the LCM 4, 3 plus 1, 4 by 4, and the answer is 1. That is how simple it is. Now let us move towards that thing. Fourth question, sin 30, from the table it is half, tan 45 it is 1, cos 60, 2 by root 3. That all answer has been come from the table. Sec 30 again 2 by root 3, cos 60 is your half and cot 45 is your 1. Now here, this is your big division, this is your numerator, this is the denominator. So numerator is containing more than 2 terms, here also more than 2 terms. Take the LCM in the numerator as well as take the LCM in the denominator. So what it will become? If you take the LCM 2 root 3, so LCM will be 2 root 3, 2 is there, so it will multiply by root 3, 1 is there, so it both will multiply here, 2 root 3 and here root 3 is there, so it will multiply by 2, 2 2s are 4, whole divided by, same here also 2 root 3 is your LCM, root 3 is there, so it will be multiplied by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 is there, so it will multiply with root 3, so root 3, and 1 is there, so it will multiply by 2 root 3, so 2 root 3. This 2 root 3, 2 root 3 cancel. Now always add the like terms, like root 3 plus 2 root 3, it will give you 3 root 3 minus 4. Here also, 2 root 3 plus root 3, 3 root 3 plus 4. Now here, you have to remember that we are following the rule of surd. Surd means your root should not be there in the denominator. If root is there in the denominator, that is a nice little task. If root is there in the denominator, do the rationalization. How we are doing the rationalization? By 3 root 3 plus is there, so minus 4, 3 root 3 minus 4. In order to make it a plus b, a minus b, right? So here x into xa terms are there. Root 3 minus 4, 3 root 3 minus 4. So it will become 3 root 3 minus 4 to the whole square, and 3 root 3 plus 4 and 3 root 3 minus 4, a plus b, a minus b. It will become a square minus b square, right? So if I further solve it here, so a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? Here a minus b whole square, and in a square minus b square, so 3 square is 9, root 3 square is 3. 3 square is 9, root 3 square is 3, 9 3s are 27. 27 minus 4 square will give you 16. See, the root is gone from the denominator, and that is the task. Now 3 root 3 square, again it will give you 27, minus 2 3 are 6, 6 4 are 24, 24 root 3 and 16. 27 minus 16 will give you 11, 27 plus 16 will give you 43. 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 11. That is your answer. Root is allowed in the numerator, but it is not allowed in the denominator. So for that we have to do the rationalization. That is the only thing you have to take care of. Similarly, the sixth question is there. Let us solve it. So 5 cos square 16 is 5 cos square 16. Means you have to put the value of cos 60 and then you have to do the square. Cos 60 is half 1 by 2 square. 4. See, cos 60 is half and square is there, so square is there. 4. Sec 30 is 2 by root 3. So this will become 2 by root 3 whole square. 10 square 45 is 1 square, right? Okay. Upon sin square 30 is your 1 by 2 to the whole square, and cos 30 is a root 3 by 2 to the whole square. So this will become 5 into 1 by 4. 1 by 2 square will give you 1 by 4 minus 4 into 4 by 3 minus 1 upon here 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4, right? 1 square 1, 2 square 4, root 3 square 3, 4 2 square 4. So that will become 5 by 4 minus 16 by 3 minus 1. Here again it will become 4 LCM 3 plus 1. So here it will become 4 by 4 1. No need to write here. Here it will become 1 only. Now 4 and 3 will have LCM 12. So 4 3s are, that is 15. 4 3s are 15 and 3 4s are, that is 64 and minus 12. Right? I hope it is clear. LCM is 12. 4 3s are so 15. 3 4s are, that is 16 4s are 64 minus 12. So this will give you, what is that? 64, and that will give you near about 76. 76 minus 15. 1 and 6, 61. Right? 64 and 12 will become 76. 76 minus 15 will give you minus 61. So answer is minus 61 divided by 12. Right? Simple answer is there. Check if I am not doing any mistake. Right? So what we have understood in this video lecture, we have understood how we can find out separate angle, and based on this we have solved the question number 1. Now in the next video we will cover this entire exercise. So solve. I am making the short video so that you should have the interest on that small video and you learn something, right? So now in the second video lecture we will cover this entire exercise. Till then, bye bye and take care of yourself.